Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Les Coteaux is a small municipality in western Quebec, located along the north shore of the St. Lawrence River, west of Montreal and near the Ontario border. The community is part of the Vaudreuil-Soulanges region and has a population of roughly 5,500 people. Les Coteaux is known for its mix of residential neighborhoods, farmland, waterfront scenery, and transportation connections. Its location between Montreal and Eastern Ontario has helped shape the town's growth while still allowing it to maintain a small-town atmosphere. The history of Les Coteaux is closely tied to the St. Lawrence River, which has served as one of the most important transportation routes in Canada for centuries. Indigenous peoples traveled and traded along the river long before European settlement. French settlers later established farming communities throughout the region during the 1700s, taking advantage of fertile soil and river access. The area surrounding Les Coteaux gradually developed through agriculture, trade, and transportation linked to the St. Lawrence corridor. The municipality of Les Coteaux was officially created in the 20th century through the merging of smaller local communities. The name Les Coteaux means the hills in French, referring to the rolling landscape found in parts of the region. While much of the surrounding area is relatively flat farmland near the river, gentle hills and raised land can be seen farther inland. Agriculture remained one of the most important economic activities in the area for generations, with dairy farming, crops, and livestock supporting local families and businesses. Transportation has always played an important role in the development of Les Coteaux. The community sits along major transportation routes connecting Montreal with Ontario. Railways passing through the region helped move goods and passengers during the 19th and 20th centuries, while nearby highways later strengthened the area's role as a transportation corridor. Today, Autoroute 20 provides direct access to larger cities such as Montreal and nearby communities across eastern Ontario. One of the most important historical developments affecting Les Coteaux and the surrounding region was the construction of the St. Lawrence Seaway during the 1950s. The massive project modernized shipping between the Atlantic Ocean and the Great Lakes, allowing larger ships to travel farther inland through North America. Shorelines, canals, locks, and transportation systems throughout the St. Lawrence Valley were transformed during this period. Communities across southern Quebec and eastern Ontario experienced economic and environmental changes connected to the project, which remains one of the largest engineering efforts in Canadian history. The nearby St. Lawrence River continues to shape daily life in Les Coteaux. Waterfront areas, marinas, and nearby parks provide opportunities for boating, fishing, and recreation throughout the warmer months. The river also supports important wildlife habitats along parts of the shoreline. Seasonal changes are especially visible in this region, from green farmland and busy waterfront activity during summer to colorful autumn landscapes and snowy winters shaped by the climate of southern Quebec. Les Coteaux has experienced gradual residential growth in recent decades as more people choose to live outside major urban centers while remaining within commuting distance of Montreal. New housing developments have expanded parts of the municipality, while older residential streets and farmland continue to reflect the community's rural roots. The town's calmer pace of life and proximity to nature have made it attractive for families, retirees, and people seeking a balance between urban access and smaller community living. The region surrounding Les Coteaux also reflects the cultural character of Western Quebec. French is the primary language spoken throughout the municipality, although the nearby Ontario border has created long-standing connections between communities on both sides of the provincial line. Local traditions, church, schools, and festivals continue to reflect the area's French-Canadian heritage and its long history along the St. Lawrence River. Today, Les Coteaux represents the combination of agriculture, transportation, and waterfront living that has shaped much of the St. Lawrence Valley for generations. While the municipality remains relatively small, its location along one of Canada's most important waterways continues to influence daily life and regional development. Visitors passing through Les Coteaux experience a landscape where farmland, riverside scenery, and growing residential communities exist together in a region deeply connected to the history of the St. Lawrence River. Thanks for watching!